it's the best thing ever. See, water and dust resistance IP67. So if I take this bottle and pour it on this guy, nothing will happen to it. So, psych, we are not going to do that. We are going to unbox this brand new mobile. Just look at this Galaxy A54 5G. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Who will unbox this magnificent? If you can like sleep with it. Dude, it's a masterpiece. Leave it. Let's unbox it. So, first impressions. Oh, just get out of here. Oh my god, guys. Just guys, like, look at this phone. Oh my gosh. It's like, guys, so great. I like love it. Oh my. So we'll get to the phone later. So you can like see quick. We'll get on it later. First we'll get on the useless stuff. And guys, for kind information, it doesn't have a charging that thing, that charging cable. We only got the main cable only, not the charger. I'm very sad. So let's open this guy up. Where do we open it? I just opened it from anywhere. So guys, what's in this? Useless stuff. Let me read this. Indian. This product should be activated with a SIM card issued from a mobile operator with India. Dude, we need a SIM for every mobile, stupid. So now we have the charging cable, yeah. And now we'll get on the phone. So guys, this mobile is amazing, okay. And from my guesses, I like love it. And guys, at the back of it, I'll show you something. Super AMOLed display with 120 Hz. And then triple rear camera, 50 OIS, megapixel main, 32 megapixel front. Oh, shoot. And the next one. Dude! What the heck? Guys, it's the best thing ever. See, water and dust resistance IP67. So if I take this bottle and pour it on this guy, nothing will happen to it. I'm amazed. Bruh. I'm amazed with it. I love it. Let's go. Whoa, let's go. Now we have all of these chargers which I'm going to show you. Before that, I'll show you this pin which you can use for the phone later. Okay, so let's open it. I just want to see it like 10,000 times, man, but it's right in front of me. So like, let's unbox it. Oh my god, guys, just look at it. Oh my gosh, guys, just look at its front thing. Okay, and before I go into detail, I'll tell that this thing is used somewhere here. Yeah, so I see you have to put this thing here. I don't know why isn't it working. I don't know. I will test it later, but still you have to like just put it here, and then you like just have the main thing where you'll put your SIM. So I don't want to mess with that now. We'll keep this aside, not give it to kids. Oh, they can. Dude, just leave it. So now we are going to look at this mobile. Just look at it. So guys, I'm going to tell you about this mobile that, yeah guys, it has a jack which can like, charge your mobile like, I don't know, like 10 times faster, 20 times faster. I have no idea how much faster it can charge, but still it charges fast. And here we have, and it's guys a very loud phone, yeah. Because I guys, just my ears are like paining from all that hearing. Oh my god, I'm like, dude, I'm toast. This mobile is like toast. But guys, camera quality is like very good. Yeah, it's guys like the best camera quality. Third to the Samsung and the S22, 23. Leave it. Who cares? But still, it is one of my favorite mobiles. Till now, I like put it on my third because I have second Apple and for Samsung. And this is from Galaxy. So first, this goes first. I love it. So guys, now we are going to boot this phone. So till I'm booting this phone, please be in the video. Okay, it's showing Samsung Galaxy. Let's go. Just wait. Hmm. I still a phone is booting. Please like this video, and it will be. Oh my god, guys, let's go. See, let's go. It finally booted, man. So guys, let's see. Okay, all these apps are like okay. Okay, so now the main thing. We are going to check its camera test. So guys, I'm like just going to like zoom on something. Guys, it has like 10, but guys, just guys see. It's guys like so bright. Just guys look at it. Just look at this, man. Guys, see like so nice. And guys, now we are going like test at a Galaxy 23 series. Oh my god, guys, it's like shining. It's and now let's like show it to our flowers. Nice zooming. And now I'll just click one selfie for myself. Bruh. But the best phone ever. Bruh. It's the best phone ever, man. Dude, I love this phone. And now let's check its other features. Like how does it work? And guys, at the end, I'm going to tell you its price. The price is 40,999, and it has at least, let me think, it has 8 GB and it has 256 internal. Yeah. So guys, now we are at the end of our video. So can you guys tell me how was the phone? And if you like this phone, you can buy it in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like for more videos. And if you love this and if you love this phone, put in the comments hashtag Galaxy A54 5G and put hashtag best, hashtag waterproof, hashtag dustproof. That's all. And bye bye, bro. So that's all for today and see you tomorrow. Let's go. I can finally dance on this chair, man. Let's go. See.